Australia is one of the top cherry producing countries, known for its high quality cherries and pick-your-own or you-pick facilities. We are excited to share our very first cherry picking adventure with you. We were looking for a pick-your-own cherry or berry farm in Melbourne and found one called Blue Hills Berries and Cherries near the Yarra Valley in the Dandenong Ranges. There are two locations for cherry picking. We have chosen the You Pick Cherries farm on George Road. We will mention both addresses in the comments. The Chapman family has been operating Blue Hills Cherries since 1984, and this farm is located just 1 hour from the CBD and the place where we live. Since it was the school holidays, the place was extremely crowded and only those who had booked online in advance were allowed entry. For anyone wanting to experience cherry picking, it's essential to book in advance. Otherwise, like many others, you might find yourself missing out. Farm employees were at the entry gate to assist and guide visitors. Parking was easy because there was lots of space. At the entrance, they scanned our tickets and put wristbands on us. The welcoming staff definitely added a personal touch, making it more enjoyable for everyone, especially with their interactions with our child.
Hi guys! You both have your wristbands?
Yes.
Just letting you know, if you are picking with our buckets today, that they do hold 6 kilos when full.
Okay.
Then they gave us 2 buckets, each with a 6 kilogram capacity for picking cherries. The farm is super kid-friendly and easy to navigate with a pram, which made the whole visit really smooth and enjoyable. The thoughtful design of the farm, including the bird nets that didn't obstruct the view, was a clever touch to enhance the experience. And the neatly arranged rows of cherry trees made picking much easier even when there were a lot of people around. Not all cherry tree rows are open to the public every day to manage resources and provide the best picking experience. Rotating the open rows allows the trees to recover, ensures enough ripe cherries, prevents overcrowding and helps maintain fruit quality. It was beautiful to see the cherries blossoming on the 2 to 3 meter high, healthy trees. We only had 2 hours for cherry picking, so as soon as we saw the cherries, our son and we jumped right in. The experience of picking ripe cherries directly from the tree was so satisfying. Every tree was full of juicy, sweet cherries, like a little treasure hunt. There is nothing like eating fresh cherries right from the orchard, and we might have eaten more than we picked. There was no limit to how many cherries we could pick, so we filled our buckets as much as we liked. We also took home a bunch of fresh cherries to enjoy later. Normally, cherries cost around $25 to $30 per kilo, but with You Pick, it's just $16. A nice little saving. Overall, it was a perfect day full of fun, fresh air and delicious cherries. You Pick Cherries is open 7 days a week from 9 AM to 4 PM from mid-late November to early January, depending on fruit availability.